love this old Firebird. That is incredible. All right, here's the cams class. Classic American muscle. Pretty sick. CP class, my mistake.
Everything's for sale, remember that.
There you go. Okay. Okay, third lap here. Got to make this count.
Got John Hill next to the Corvette, followed by Red Hills.
Oh, sure.
crazy.
This is a ZR1.
No, this is a LT4.
What's that?
It's the last year of the C4s, 96.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was like a LT1 with a heads and cam from the factory. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Should I roll ahead?
You can go now, but there's like a line.
Okay.
We have Prince Russell, the leader, has SP1 right now, and third place, first spot. It's the finish, Prince Russell, 45.9, 3 tenths pickup, so it's now about 7 tenths ahead of Tom Turbo. Scott.
Thank you.
Car's burning fluid. 51.2 plus 1 for Scott.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My fires, of course. The TMS Cobra.
Fuck. Shit's on this fire. I got misfires. You heard it, huh?
10 per second behind. Settle, stay in second place. Well,
Yeah.
We still got big fire, fire to go.
Should I wait a little bit or?
Go right now.
What's that?
You can go right now.
Okay, cool.
Wait for this.
All right, so unfortunately, I'm experiencing some serious misfires. It's really affecting my ability to launch. So I'm gonna try to smoother. I'm gonna have to short shift into second to get this through. I got misfires. You heard it, huh? Yeah. So as you could hear the way the engine was revving, this thing definitely misfiring like a motherfucker. First gear is useless to me right now. God damn it. All right, so kind of a mixed review today. So the chassis felt absolutely dialed in. I mean, the handling was really good. Having being able to maintain camber through turns is so essential to exiting turns with speed. The problem this time was I think it was on 5 or 6 cylinders a lot of the time. First gear was horrendous. I couldn't even accelerate through it. So there's all kinds of misfires. It clearly needs spark plugs. I don't know. Shouldn't need wire. Shouldn't even need spark plugs. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe the OptiSpark's going on it. Those are such a pain in the ass, but I don't know. I'm gonna bring it back to Dave's. Frustrated. I could have gone at least 2 seconds faster easily today. I was really, as far as the driving goes, I was on fire today. It's just too bad that the engine wasn't quite right. Anyway, great day here. I mean, like, we've got. Sorry, ran out of power on the GoPro. Those things do that all the time when you run them. Anyway, chassis is great. I just don't know why I'm having so many misfires. So that's got to be solved somehow. Hey, honey bunny, do you know why I'm experiencing so many misfires? Oh, you're so good. You be knowing. Anyway, so it's got to go back to Dave's again. Anyway, had a blast as usual, as always. Later. Damn, some nice Z06s here today.
Even though you say it's turned off. Yeah.
Damn, GT350. Type R. This is the pure race. this car.
Lean on it, rubs on the wheel, it slows the wheel down. The car's like shit.
There's Andy McKee's RX-7. Pure race car, a lot of boost. Here's the last year of the C3. This is technically, I guess, called an 82, even though it was an 83. C4 was supposed to come out this year. I still refer to these as 83s. I don't care what anyone says. Beautiful car. This one in particular. It's amazing. It was your grandma's. That's awesome.
Because you're gonna run now.
Cool. There's a lot of sentimental value here, you know?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
What about
Does it still have the crossfire in it or an LS motor?
LS.
Nice.
An LS1 and a T56. The whole thing out of an 01 Camaro.
Oh yeah?
This is the only way to get it to pass smog.
Oh, past the smog?
Yeah.
Oh wait, oh that's right, it's 83. Oh, I forgot. Yeah.
75 cut off.
Yeah. That sucks.
So stupid. I mean, it's a 40-year-old.
Yeah.
Why the heck does that have to pass?
Hardly any on the road at this point.
Yeah. And honestly,
Yeah.
any LS, no matter how
Yeah.
dirty or cammed up it is,
Yeah.
is cleaner than what was in there.
Oh yeah, so true.
Gotta follow the rules.
Yeah.
you work one?
I'm in the notes as a 49050 4905.
How you can get that up? It's gonna be minor. What's your shop on?
And of course we got the Fox bodies. This looks like a 93 Cobra. You could tell by that really unique spoiler right there. It's got the 4 points of contact. Oh, it says SVO, so that would be a 4-cylinder turbo.
Time to go. Most people don't go this far.
That's incredible.
Thank you.
Wow, you bought this when you were 17, you said?
Yeah.
Oh.
The most unique thing is I didn't wrap around a telephone pole.
Right?
Like so many of my other friends did.
Yeah, that's funny. God, this is incredible.
Thank you.
Oh my God. This is like show quality.
Yeah, that was kind of the intent.
Yeah.
I worked on cars when I was, I worked at mostly Mustangs when I was in college. And I
Yeah.
got tired of working on garbage.
Oh,
I did
wow.
a nice job.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
make
yeah.
it look nice.
Yeah,
You know,
it does.
This is you. Like, this is me.
It looks incredible.
This is a reflection of me and how I feel about things.
Yeah, for
And how
sure.
much I hate myself and having free time, right? This is where it goes.
That's funny.
And this
Yeah.
this car was laid up for about 3 years. I was doing other stuff.
Oh, yeah?
And it was broken. And I decided, I'm gonna bring it back, change all the fluids and bring it back.
Uh-huh.
And it had crazy high fuel pressure, so I think I lost the regulator in it.
Oh.
I said, the fuel system is pretty stock. So we
Yeah.
completely went through the system, my father and I,
Uh-huh.
all hard line and down the frame rails and all PTFE hose, and finally brought it out. So it pretty much up until the March event, it had been off the road since 2019.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Because it was pretty much done
Yeah.
in 2012,
Yeah.
2013, other than
Yeah.
the intake. The intake I added.
Sure.
Because I used to have the long runner on it,
Uh-huh.
but all those long runners,
Yeah.
5600, they're done. Bye-bye.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
Yeah, they fall on their face around there.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I had the Trick Flow R, which is supposed to go to 7500.
Oh, my God.
I
Yeah.
talked to multiple people online, and everybody
Yeah.
said 5650, they're done.
Yeah.
And that was exactly what my dynagraph said. So I said, all right, time for the box. Now the next thing is exhaust, because it still has 2.5-inch exhaust.
Oh, yeah. So does mine.
It's a huge choke point. I mean, I got
Yeah.
a 373-inch engine.
Yeah.
Big, did little spaghetti pipes.
Yeah. That's kind of how my car is. I have a stroker in mine, and I have like headers that are 1 5/8 primaries.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
so
you-
bammer.
You got some opportunities there.
Yeah, and the reason why I got those is because the car used to pass smog before I stroked it,
Yep.
but not anymore.
Well, that was how I originally
Yeah.
built this car. I built
Yeah.
it to pass a visual.
Yeah,
It had
yeah.
carb legal headers. It had
Yeah.
a smog pump on it. It had all the
Yeah.
smog stuff. And that's one of the reasons I
Yeah.
ran the long runner intake is because,
Yeah.
well, maybe.
Yeah.
Kind of, sort of, I think so.
Yeah, now they're real fussy.
Yeah, because I have other nice cars I can drive. This car is not. It's not a low intensity, low stress car.
Yeah, no doubt.
Filters in the fender well.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, I built that myself. It's an Anderson power pipe
Yeah.
design,
Uh-huh.
and then I didn't like some of the things that they had done, so I built my own.
So you modified it, huh?
No, I started from scratch.
Oh, you started from scratch. Wow.
I wonder if I'm going
So as you can see, I really met some very interesting people at the last race. I'm just amazed how many people out there have kept their first cars and just built them up to an epic level. And that's one of the things that's so amazing about, you know, racing, especially at American Autocross Series. You have so many people there that are really serious car people that are just, they're like engineers. They're just artists, what they do with their cars. And I'm definitely in awe of the abilities that they have to work on cars and to take them to a level that just the factory never actually intended them to be at. So much props to all those people. And you know, there's so much more to racing than just the racing and the cars. It's also the relationships that you build through the process. And yeah, there's some amazing people out there, and I'm gonna keep doing interviews with cars that I find really interesting. And it seems like every time I go there, there's always just some amazing cars, like that 83 Corvette. I believe his name was Matt. His grandma owns that car, or originally owned the car, and she passed it on to him, and he's made it the most incredible 50-state smog legal Resto Mod. And yeah, that car is amazing. And I forget the guy that's named with the Mustang. Oh man, the work he did under the hood of that was really something. Anyway, so yeah, I always have a great time racing with that group. And what you'll find is if you go to car shows, you're going to meet people like that. But when you race, you really meet a lot of people like that, because people that race tend to work on their own cars more often than not. So it's just really interesting to see some of the cars that are out there, the builds that they do, and just the interesting people that you'll meet out there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm above 500 subscribers, so I want to get to 1,000 next, all right? Let's see if we could do that. All right, everyone, have a good day.